It has started. The first jobs lost because of AI account for more than 5% of the total jobs lost last month. Also, new developments in the story about the AI run drone killing its operator in a simulation fight. This is Mate with Future Toots, and you're watching the AI Report. Yesterday, everyone went nuts over the news that a drone operated by AI decided to kill its human operator in a fight simulation because the operator was interfering with its mission. Many of the major news outlets reported on the story. However, today there are some new developments. We find out there's a little bit of misinformation going on and possibly a lot of misinformation. For starters, the AI controlled drone did something much sneakier apparently. After a few training rounds in which it received instructions not to kill the operator, it didn't directly kill the human operator, but it destroyed the control tower that the operator used to communicate with it. Jeez. I'm trying to bring AI closer to people, but it seems like AI is not interested in playing along. Also, even though the operator gave the original statement, the Air Force denied any of the simulations happening. This still doesn't mean that the simulations didn't happen at all, but that's also a possibility. Okay, let's tackle some more bad news first. In a graduation ceremony at the US Air Force Academy in Colorado, President Biden expressed his worries that AI may overtake human thinking and planning. There is an old person not understanding technology joke in there somewhere, but I think those jokes are getting kinda old. Across the pond, Mark Warner, boss of Faculty AI, member of the British Government AI Council, and co-signer of the Center for AI Safety Statement on the risk of humanity being wiped out by AI, says that some AI systems may have to be banned. This is really interesting. So, if we create objects that are as smart or smarter than us, there is nobody in the world that can give a good scientific justification of why that should be safe, Mr. Warner said. He may have a good point, but at the same time, if AI is banned in one place, it will probably pop up somewhere else, which creates a very complicated situation for effective and safe regulation. Next, what I believe to be the biggest story today. 4,000 people have lost their jobs, and for the first time in history, the reason specified is artificial intelligence. That's 5% of the total of 80,000 job cuts last month, which is already a pretty staggering number, and keep in mind, AI is not even that good yet. Guys, it's starting to happen. Pay attention to this, learn how to use AI, use it to your advantage, and subscribe to this channel. We have a great video coming exactly on this topic next. Hollywood writers were already concerned about AI stealing their jobs, and now Hollywood actors follow suit. So, writer strikes are already in full swing, and now it seems like an actor strike might be brewing. In a message asking its members to authorize a strike, the guild noted that it was seeking a contract that would protect members from losing income due to unregulated use of generative AI. Fair enough. If this materializes, if it comes to be, this will be the first actor strike since the year 2000. If the AI models are trained on, the content and the data provided by both the actors and the writers, they have a right to be upset if now suddenly they're fired or their compensations are reduced. But in any case, troubling times ahead, lots of disruption. Okay, let's check out the bright side a little bit. AI technology catches cancer before symptoms with Ezra, a full body MRI scanner. Combining MRI technology with artificial intelligence, Ezra scans for possible cancer in the human body in up to 13 organs. It also monitors for hundreds of other conditions such as brain aneurysms or fatty liver disease. Thank you! Finally, some of the good uses of AI. And some more good news. Primate AI provides breakthrough in predicting human diseases. This is very interesting. Through analyzing diseases in other primates using artificial intelligence, scientists are getting closer to discovering and curing some diseases in humans. Because of their closeness to the human genome, non human primate species are uniquely valuable, both for what they can teach us about the genetic basis of human diseases and in their own right, said senior author Carl Farh, vice president of artificial intelligence at biotech research company Illumina. We discovered that if a rare mutation cannot be found in the primate genome, it is very likely to cause a human disease, said Farr. In addition, some of these rare mutations can cause, by themselves, some diseases considered polygenic. Very good stuff, very good stuff. And a bit more good news, artificial intelligence can help reduce injuries, says Harry Kane. Injury prevention is something that is the most important thing to me, said Kane, who joins retired Ice Hockey Hall of Famer Wayne Gretzky among the latest investors in Oxford. It will only get more impressive, and more with AI will get better, and hopefully in the long run we'll start kind of seeing less and less injuries. Kane pointed out Oxford Technology's ability to detect when an athlete might be favoring one side over another with real-time feedback. Wow, this is pretty impressive. And finally, AI market size is expected to grow 10 times by 2029. It's currently valued at around probably more than 8.45 billion at this time because this is 2022, but it is forecast to go as much as 80 billion or more. And the only flaw in this market research, in my opinion, is the scale. I believe that by 2029, the AI market size will be much more than 10 times bigger than today. As usual, AI is moving forward, bringing both good and bad things along with it, and that's the way it is. I will see you in the next video.